It's quite cloudy today, so I hope that I will be able to see some birds. So the place that I'm going to, it's I've already been there once, called Biķernieku Mežs. But the place that I'm going to, I actually walked yesterday and we saw some nice birds, but I didn't have my camera with me. So today I want to go back. There also is a lake called Linazers. Maybe I'll go there and see what they have. I think they have, like, I looked on eBird and they have like some crested grebes and coots and all sorts of interesting birds, but that I can't just throw in front of my head. But yeah, so hopefully it's going to be interesting. Common Redstart. Apparently they have arrived to Latvia in the last few weeks. I think I've seen a black Redstart. At the time I didn't know it was a black Redstart, but I took a picture of it last weekend, I think. It's such a cool noise, song. That's a garden warbler. I can't see it. I would love to take some photo. Oh yeah, I can see it. Oh my god, that's so cute. So cute. Oh, I don't know if you guys. So pretty. I'll try my best. I need to be very stealthy. Let's try. Still there? Yep, still there. So I've changed my mind about going to the lake because I think they have some sort of competition on, or some drifting on the track, and it is very assaulting for my ears, that noise. Yeah, I'm walking very slowly because I want to make sure I don't miss anything super interesting that I have not seen. Where am I? I hope I'm walking. Yes, I'm walking towards my destination. Yeah, I don't want to miss anything that I've not seen. There are so many birds around. It's just my attention is kind of being pulled from one bush to another bush. Yeah, hopefully I'll get to my spot soon and have a little chill. There's two of something chasing each other. What is that? Some warblers. They were literally just going around chasing one another right behind me, like around me. I think there was a spot that I quite liked the look of while I was walking here. See from here a little bit better. This also looks like a nice clearing where it could be some other birdies. Yeah, that was really cool. It kind of flew across, like high up in the trees. Right, this might be actually where it stay. Yeah, this looks like there's a lot of little chaffinches. Yeah, I think I'll stay here. This seems like a good spot. I think this is like a path because I've seen some people walk past. Where's my binoculars? I think this is like a path because I've seen people and there's a man looking at me now, which is really, really comforting. No, that's not a bird. There's like a big something on the tree, but it's not a bird. It's just a tree. I'm here now. So as I was packing up my bag, I actually noticed it again flying, and he's been now a few times back and forth. And I'm kind of looking at the nest here. Don't particularly want to be too close to the nest. But it's very big. The nest is quite high up in the trees. I'm not going to be able to take a decent shot. The sun, it's like nearly 2 p.m. so the sun also is not the best. But if I just keep patient and still, I might be able to identify what it is. If it's going to fly back. It's very quiet. It's very quiet. It's a really big bird of prey. That also, if he's hunting there, it would make sense why I didn't see or hear many birds like that direction. Oh, it's flying back, flying back, flying back. Okay. Bloody hell, this camera is so heavy. I can't hold it. Oh, it's behind me, noob. I want to see it. Oh, that's flying. Okay, I think it is a goshawk. It's flying again to hunt. Right, I need to be ready. I'm gonna put my chair out here. Okay, I'm now into my position. Hopefully it's gonna come back. Well, it has to come back because it's his nest. His or hers nest. So it flew that way, so it's gonna fly back from that way too. So I should probably be ready. This is what I love about this photography. It's just little adrenaline rushes that you get when you see a bird. Still sitting here. It's so peaceful. I think the mosquitoes are starting to eat me. What is that bird? That bird looks cute. I think that was a woodpecker. Right, I really need to go in a minute. I really don't understand Sony focusing. I really don't understand. Currently I'm trying to change my focus. For some reason it's gone again to face. I don't want to do face. Let's see if I can find something to focus on. Yeah, I really don't understand this Sony. It's so typical. When I get into position, no birds come. No birds come. I really need to go as well. What is this? I sat there for further 10 minutes or so, and then I just need to really go. So I'm back in the car now. Didn't see him or her again. So today's walk, I know I left really late, so I couldn't really expect to see him. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Yeah, please like and subscribe, leave some comments.